Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create a calendar view in Airtable. So first of all you have to open the base in which you want to create the calendar view. So I'm going to open this page. Here you have to go to this add button on the bottom left corner and you have to click it and you get a bunch of options. Here you have to select calendar and that's it. It will now create a calendar view in our base in Airtable. So just give it a minute to load everything, and once it's done it will create a calendar view. So it is asking us to choose a date field. Just click here and click date. You can also add date ranges and multiple date fields, but for that you'd have to upgrade your plan, so I'm gonna skip it. It's not necessary. Here as you can see it has created a calendar view. I can add my tasks there. For example, on Thursday, let's say 9th, I want to play football. I can add it here. That's perfect. So here you can use this calendar. You can add your tasks, you can add everything. You can use this calendar to manage your workflow. So this is basically how you add a calendar view in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.